Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by dressing the matching slip and tying the petticoat at your natural waist. This secures the saree base. Once done, make 5-7 neat pleats in the inner fabric and iron them lightly. This prevents slipping. Next, position the saree end, non-palu, at your navel and tuck firmly clockwise. Make sure the tucks are even and tight. Use 2 safety pins at the waist to hold the initial tuck. This sets the foundation for a stable drape. Now you focus on the central pleating. Gather 6-8 neat pleats with consistent width and hold them together. Align the bottoms so the hem is level. Once aligned, tuck the pleats into the front of the petticoat slightly left of your navel and pin through fabric and slip to lock them. Then take the remaining length, wrap it once around your torso if desired, and throw the palu over your left shoulder. Make sure the palu length and fall flatter your silhouette. Finish by arranging the palu pleats on your shoulder so they cascade neatly. Pin through multiple layers to prevent shifting. Once in place, check the hemline all around, make small adjustments, and retuck the front if the length varies. If you plan to move a lot, add a slim belt at the waist to keep pleats stable. This also modernizes the look. If pleats or palu slip, replace pins, secure an extra inner stitch, or use silicone grips. These quick fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.